dental at DNT. The ophthalmology is the other side, so we'll have 3 floors, yeah?
Special. Special.
First of all, in our campaign promises in all the 23 local governments, we did pledge that security of life and property is our major assignment. To add to that, that will ensure that every project within that communities, the LGS that are ongoing, will see to the completion of it. You all know about this Andoni-Opobo Road. They call it Unity Road. It was a project that was initiated and commenced at the time of Sir Dr. Peter Odili administration. The immediate past administration also promised the Andoni people, the Obolo community, that within its tenure, that the road will be commissioned. In fact, there was a meeting 1 year ago. That was when I was still the Accountant General, so I was privileged to be in the meeting. The kings, the chiefs, the opinion leaders of all the Andonis were there, and the contractors of this road was also there. He was asked, what is your problem? What are the things we need to do? He placed his demands, and every demand he made, the government obliged him. I can tell you that this project, this section of the Andoni Road, have been paid 100%. What we are owing is $1 billion naira, which is supposed to be a retention. From what I've seen here today, we still have more than 45% job to be done. We are left with one option. I think there's a big elephant in this road. We will remove that elephant, just like the president did remove the elephant of subsidy. We will remove the elephant. And I've just spoken with the commissioner. If they should commence the process of revocation of this job, and so that we can give it a contractor that is serious and that can deliver. We don't mind what it will take. We did make a promise to our people, the Andoni people, that this road will be delivered. And I can tell you here that if we don't complete it or deliver it within the next 100 days, it will not exceed my 1 year in office. From our assessment this afternoon, the 2 projects are already completed. They are about 99% complete. And I think we should commend the contractor. He understands the agenda of the state, which is serious business when it comes to the welfare of our people. So I think it will be among